Let's memorize the skip counting of 43. So let's recall again the skip countings of 3 and the skip countings of 40. So for the skip countings of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. For the skip countings of 40, we have 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320, 360, and 400. Now we add those skip countings like this one. So we have 40 plus 3, 43, 80 plus 6, 86, 120 plus 9, 129, 160 plus 12, 172, 200 plus 15, 215. Next, we have 240 plus 18, 258, 280 plus 21, 301, 320 plus 24, 344, 360 plus 27, 387, and 400 plus 30, 430. So now we have the skip countings of 43. 43, 86, 129, 172, 215, 258, 301, 344, 387, and 430.